Hello everybody. Today I am going to be doing Lingodeer. And I'm going to be starting with katakana. Hiragana, katakana, and kanji. See, it shows what the kanji is, what's the hiragana, and the katakana is in green. To read Japanese, we will need to learn 3 types of characters: kanji, hiragana, and katakana. For example, the sentence above contains all 3 elements. It means I'm buying a TV. Hiragana versus katakana. There are 46 hiragana and katakana pairs. These 2 types of characters are counterparts to each other. Each pair shares the same sound. You will learn to read them in the following lessons. A hiragana character can be used to write Japanese words or spell pronunciation of kanji. Katakana characters are usually used for foreign words and loan words. Kanji characters originate from the Chinese language. Most kanji have more than one pronunciation. Some have more than one meaning. Furigana is, I guess, the pronunciation used at the top of the kanji. The spelling of a kanji in hiragana is either placed above or next to the kanji. It's called furigana. There we go. That's just what I explained. Now, enough preface. Let's start our first hiragana lesson. But I wanted I must have typed that wrong. Because hiraganas we've already learned, but we're learning katakana. So this is Eat. Eat. This is Oot. Oot. It. Eat. Eat. Oot. 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 Okay, so we're looking for A, E, U, and I. O. That looks nothing like an O. O. Oh, it's A. O. So we need This isn't as hard as I thought it would be. Ka. So this one's easier because it looks like ka. Ki. Ka. Ku. Ku. Kit. Kit. Oh man, that looks similar. Keep. Keep. Oh, but really? You have to... Okay, it gives us a hint at the bottom. Coop. 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 Okay, I got that right. Get. Keep. Coop. Cop. Cool. Cool. I guess if you add one more line, it'd be an O, so.
Ke, ko, ku, ke, ka, ki, ku.
Ah!
Ku, ko, ki, ke, ka, ki, ko, ku.
Oh boy.
Ki, ku, ke, ko.
Yay, I got it.
Sa,
Sa,
shi,
she. So those lines are pointing down from left to right downwards.
sa, su,
Su. Su.
se,
Se. Set is like an E too, I guess. Yeah.
shi, su,
Su.
su.
Okay, let's see.
Sa,
Oh.
se, shi, su, sa, so.
So. So has only one I.
Se,
Se.
so. Sa,
Oh. I keep
Se.
forgetting. Okay.
Shi, se, sa, su.
Okay, let's see. Sa.
Sa, su.
She, like fishy, hook. So
So.
that's a weird Z.
Shi, se, sa, so.
Last one. Okay. She.
Shi, se,
That's se. Sa.
sa,
Yes. So.
su.
Su. Okay. Okay, let's exit out. Yep. Okay. Okay, if you click here, there's an actual voice chart. So, Okay, this video is almost gone for about 10 minutes. I think we're going to go to learning tips. Okay, we learned about the alphabet stuff in that section. Let's go to 2. Nouns and verbs. Unlike nouns in Roman languages, nouns in Japanese, they do not have grammatical genders. They do not define or indefinite article. Oh, they do not use definite or indefinite articles like a and the. Can be singular or plural, whether the singular or plural will be dependent on the context. Unlike English, Japanese verbs are not conjugated to make pronouns and verb tenses agree. Basic sentence structure and word order. Unlike English, Japanese sentences follow subject, object, verb, word order, and include particles that indicate meaning of parts of speech of the preceding words. Subject. Watashi wa sushi o tabimasu. Watashi wa sushi wa tabimasu. So, I sushi to eat is what they're saying instead of I eat sushi. So English is a subject-verb-object language. So this is going to be difficult. Let's see. I know Yoda talks in, I think it's verb, object, subject. Because it's being sushi, or maybe it's object, subject, verb. Sushi. No, maybe I was right the first time, because it'd be sushi to eat, I do. Okay. Basic sentence structure using be verb. The affirmative tense in one, into. So noun 1, wa, noun 2, des. So the character ha, wa is here as a particle. The word has only grammatical function but no meaning. It indicates the noun is following as the topic of the sentence. When the character wa functions as a topic marked particle, it is pronounced wa instead of ha. See, we learned that as ha when we were learning the hiragana on my channel. So, des, it's not pronounced desu, it's pronounced des because the U is silent. So, des can be interpreted as the verb to be. Example sentences. Watashi wa Nihonji. I should probably be reading the Japanese rather than the Romanji because I don't want to rely on that. So, Watashi wa Nihonjin desu. I am Japanese. Versus Watashi wa America jin desu. I am American. And the negative tense, in one wa with in two de wa arimasen. English, in1 is not in2. De wa arimasen is the negative form as des. Wa in de wa arimasen should also be pronounced wa, not ha. Japanese. Watashi wa, let me see if I can get this, because I've done these lessons before, so. Watashi wa Shugoku go jin ではありません. Yeah, I got it. And then 私は日本人ではありません. Note, both です and ではありません are polite forms of the verb to be. The polite forms of the default are more formal occasions between people of different statures, such as teacher and student, but also between strangers. We will learn the more cordial, plain, I don't know what that word is right there. Plain forms in, okay, I'm just going to say it like this. We're going to learn the more plain forms in Japanese too. Note the English translation of Japanese sentences in this course. You may notice as you go through this course, the English translation of Japanese may not sound as natural as they would if they'd be translated into the native style English. This has been done to correspond as closely to the source Japanese sentence as possible to facilitate learning. This is also done to better adapt to the unique culture and linguistics honorific and polite forms in Japanese. Okay, so this video has been going on for 16 minutes, so I think I'm going to stop here, and we will continue on the next video. I was going to do another whiteboard lesson, but I kind of like doing this because it kind of helps me, because when I was going over the kanji, it was hard because when I was reading the book there were so many different meanings and ways to say it. I didn't really know what was the most correct to like one way or the most used way, but here it kind of simplifies that for you and it tells you for you. So I think I'm going to use this app more often. So I'm not saying I won't use the whiteboard again, but this is just the best way to like show you guys. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Good luck.